Good morning, it's Bill Maschas, MarineMax Stewart. I want to show you this 2021 Grady-White 307 Freedom we just took as a listing. And it's a great boat, very well maintained, well cared for. Twin 300 Yamahas on the back, reliable performance, about 455 hours. Let's hop on board and I'll show you the rest. All right, we're here at the transom, the Twin 300 Yamahas with electro-hydraulic steering and joystick. He has added additional rod holders. You have the ski tow pole, and then rod holder, cup holders over here, a set of 3. Nice cooler in the middle for your catch. Live well over to the right with fresh water and raw water wash right next to it. Nice convenient seat if you need it, right in front of it with a table option right over here. This retractable step is great for you to access a side dock to a restaurant or anything else. Beautiful grill with a refrigerator right underneath. It runs on a inverter system, no generator. Sink right next to it. Going forward, huge 16-inch Garmin screen, multifunction, with your Yamaha general gauge and your VHF joystick and your binnacles right over there. Stereo controls right next to you, main head unit right across. 2-person wide seating both on the helm and on the passenger side. And then you have a huge bathroom area. We apologize with all the covers in there, but you have a full enclosure. It can also convert as a little sitting area or sleeping area for a person. Right across, you have a nice storage for your tackle and huge storage for tables, additional cushions, posts, and your inverter system is actually controlled from in there. You can enclose the cockpit by closing the windshield and the air dam. Nice 2 loungers on the front, and also you have the filler cushions, so the whole thing up front can be a nice lounge area. Your windlass with remote control right in front over here, and again cup holders and rod holders all around on the bow area. This concludes our presentation. It's Bill Maschas, MarineMax and Stewart. If you have any questions, 203-808-5088. Thank you.